Hello, it's Miss Melina here. Today I'll be guiding you through a new app I downloaded on your computers called Noteboard. It's great for personal uses like saving sources for essays, which is actually what we will be doing with it today. Let's get started. Since Noteboard is a Google extension, you will always find it on the top right corner, right about over here. Once you click it, you will find this default board, which, you can change to whatever you want. I personally like this one. Don't forget to title it also, because as you start adding pages later on, you don't want to get lost. So here I'm gonna title mine Research Paper Sources. There you go. Now we can start adding things. Over here, I already have a list of links for us. You will be doing this as you surf the web, but I just wanted to speed the process for this video. My first link is to an event that I attended on Mexican American folk art. When you get to a page you want to save, what you gotta do first is you gotta right click, and then it'll show you Noteboard. Now you have two options here. You can save the page URL, which simply saves the hyperlink, or you can save the page with a thumbnail in Noteboard. This is my favorite, and this is what I recommend. So here is my page. There you go. So now I'm going to add another one. Same process. Right click, Noteboard, save page with thumbnail, and here's my page. So when we go over here, there you go. It will show up and you have your links. What you can also add though are pictures. So while I was at this event, I got a few ones that I would like to add. If you have Google Drive, you can input the URL right here, but mine is on my desktop. Here we go. Open and accept. Wait, we got one more. There you go. Now, it's going to show up here a bit crammed. What you can do is you can move it around, or you can allow it to do it for you. Automatic sorting, accept, and whoopong. Here we go. Now it's a little bit cleaner. So now we have links and we have photos. What we also want to add is a YouTube video. So you can go over here and you can do what we've been doing, which is right click, or you can embed it. So let's copy. When we get to Noteboard, we're going to add a new note, which you can do over here. All right, now you have insert or edit media, paste, and then you press OK and accept. So now we have links, we have photos, and we have a video. So what I like is that once you have all of your sources, you can also present it. Ta-da! Now these are just the basics. You can do so much more on this app, but what I have shown you today will allow you to create a place for all of your digital sources. That way you don't have to go scavenging for them when it's come time to making your works cited page. Have a good one, and thank you for listening in.